Hi friends, welcome to Martin's Kitchen. Hope you guys are doing good. Today I am going to show you a simple and delicious way to make garlic chili prawns. Take 6 to 7 prawns in a bowl. Season the prawns with some salt as per your taste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. Now mix them well until the spices get completely through the prawns and let it marinate for 15 minutes. On a pan, heat 3 tablespoons of oil, add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 chopped green chilies and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger to it and saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the marinated prawns and mix them well so that the taste of the garlic, green chilies and ginger gets good hold of the prawns. Cover the prawns with a lid and let it get cooked for a while in a medium flame. After 3-4 minutes, as you remove the lid, you will see that the prawns has got a brown crispy color to it. Now add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chilli sauce and 1 tablespoon of chili vinegar. Mix the prawns along with the sauce and vinegar nicely so that the prawn soaks the flavor well. So friends, this is easy to prepare and delicious in taste. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.